Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of these walkie-talkies for adults that I got on Amazon. It's a 4-pack of rechargeable walkie-talkies. Let's get into it and check it out. Alright, so from the top, looks like we've got a couple lanyards for each one. Looks like they kind of spin. It looks like a button where you can remove it when it's attached to the walkie-talkie. If you just need to take off this part. That's it. Okay, what do we have next? We've got charging cables. So it looks like each one charges 2 at a time, which I'll show you a little bit later in the video. 2 cables to charge all 4. Next, we've got the batteries over here that we'll just need to plug in. Alright, over here we have, okay, looks like a microphone and an earpiece. Yep, looks like a little earpiece with a microphone we can plug into the walkie-talkie. So you're going to have 4 of those as well. I'm surprised that there's this much stuff in this small box. Okay, and then at the bottom, we've got the blocks that come with it for charging. That's really great. I don't know why they stopped putting like all products come with a USB box with it. What if people don't have extra boxes? Weird. Over here we've got the manual for the K10 walkie-talkie, user guide, and of course, most important thing, the walkie-talkies. So I love this that they're in like 4 different colors. Sometimes you like get walkie-talkies and they're like all black, which is kind of lame. If you got 4 different ones, you can, you don't have to write any names on it. You're like, oh yeah, I got the blue walkie-talkie. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's open them up and see what they look like. All right, so I went ahead and charged them up, but I pulled them back out so I could show you how it is to actually put the battery in. Scared me. Okay, so I've gone ahead and taken off the plastic wrapping on everything, and I'm just going to show you how to actually put the battery in. So it shows like a little spot to put your finger. So I'm just going to put a finger there and hold it here. Just kind of push up. Takes off the clip. And then just going to pop this open right here. Alright. You can see that you just plug the battery in like right there. So if you see here, it's got the little divot. So we're just going to plug it in. Alright, I already heard it turn on. Okay, that's in and that's in. Cool, so it's already on, as you can see right here. This right here is the power button, so I can turn it off, turn it back on. Okay, so I went ahead and got 2 of them up and running just to kind of show you. So you can see here there's a call button. So basically if I press this, it's going to call the other walkie-talkie. So if you can see it called it. You can call both walkie-talkies. So you can call them here, and then obviously this is the push to talk button over here. Next button is the power button as well as the menu. We've got the scan button to like automatically scan for specific channels, or you can hit the menu button and just channel up or channel down. Up here you've got the volume control, so if you can hear, volume's kind of quiet here. Oh, sorry, this is all the way to the bottom. That's all the way to the top, so you can adjust the volume there as well as the volume when you're actually talking to somebody. On the side here, we've got a spot for that microphone jack that was provided, the speaker and microphone jack. And then the other one is for the charging port. And then again, on the back's got the clip. So, And if we just test it out real quick, I'm going to kind of move away and talk to one of them and leave this one over here so you can just hear it. Okay, I'm just going to walk away a few feet and going to talk into this blue one over here, and you should be able to hear it just fine over here. Hello, testing. Can you hear me okay? Mic check, mic check. All right, I'm just going to increase the volume all the way so you can hear just a little bit better. Hello, testing. Mic check, mic check. Okay, so let's just look into the accessories. Again, I said there's the lanyard over here. So it's got a little hole here to put the string through. Just gonna stick it through like that. Cool. So now it's attached, and you know, if this was around your neck or something, you need to pull it away for any reason. So you can push the little button here, and you know, now it's away from the actual lanyard. So you can see here that when I plug it in, it is charging. You can see it blinking there. And just to show that it's charging, you can charge the blue one as well at the same time. Plug it in, and again, you can see it moving right there. So charges just fine. It says that it can charge the entire walkie-talkie within 3 to 4 hours, and it does a standby time of 48 hours, so that's really awesome. And then again, we have the microphone right here that you can plug in. So I can open this up, put it in here, and it's got a little button on the side so I can push to talk. So if I was going to want to talk on there, obviously they're all right next to each other, so you're not going to really hear it very well. And then a little piece for your ear. Also comes with a little cushion inside to put on the earpiece as well. So if you're looking for a really good walkie-talkie that's rechargeable, it comes with 4 at a very affordable price. I mean, this walkie-talkie is going to work really well for man or woman if you're wanting to use this outdoors, for like camping, hiking, hunting, boating, fishing, skiing. I mean, any type of outdoor activity, you really can use it for anything. Personally, for me, I like to take these when I go to resorts outside of the country. Like, let's say I'm in Dominican or something, Dominican Republic. I can use this at the resort instead of having to, you know, use my own phone. And I'm hanging out with people, or if you're on a cruise ship, it's a lot more easier just because you don't have any signal out there. So really great to take on trips as well. If you're looking for a great walkie-talkie, I definitely would recommend these rechargeable walkie-talkies. I will have the link in the description to check them out. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great rest of your day.